Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are diving into the world of Zapier to see what Zapier is and how does it works, and if you ever wished your app could talk to each other, right? Yes, your app could talk to each other and you want to automate your tasks, right? So Zapier is the place that you can do, right? Now, what exactly is Zapier is imagine having your personal assistant for your digital life, right? So what is Zapier? Zapier is nothing but a personal assistant of all your digital life that you have, right? Who is working tirelessly behind the scenes and making things happen, right? Zapier is the genius assistant, but in the form of an online automation tool, right? That are Zap. Okay, so what does Zap do, right? So Zap allows you to connect your favorite app and automate the workflows without even a single line of code, from saving your time on repetitive tasks and streamlining your complex processes, right? This is your ticket to more efficient and organized digital life. Curious about magic behind the scenes? Let's break it down, right? So okay, so what does Zap do exactly, right? So when it comes to Zap, so as you can see over here, there is something called Zap, right? So when it comes to Zapier, so Zapier use different Zaps to create the connection between your different apps, and Zap is a set of triggers and action that automates a task. And when trigger, imagine, right? Say suppose, okay, so see, imagine you receive a email, right? And email with an attachment, right? And Zap, you have created automatically that, okay, that, oh, whenever I receive a email, right, with some attachment, this is something which is going to happen, right? Or maybe you want to save it on your cloud storage, right? So it will be done automatically, right? It will be done automatically. So what you can do, you can create a Zap and that can perform a different action based on it, right? And based on your triggers that you get. Okay, so that is the whole purpose of a Zap. So as you can see over here, that when you get a trigger, then what action you have to take, right? When a trigger, what action, trigger, what action, right? So that is how your Zapier works basically. Okay, so now this is the kind of interface that Zap provides us, and what all things that you can do, right? So you can set a Gmail, your Google Sheet, you can get a email with your filter by Zapier and Google Drive. Basically you can connect all these things, right? Gmail with Sheet, Gmail with Drive, your Sheet with Facebook, and Google Calendar with your Trello, and like all these things, right? These are the certain things that you can always collaborate, and then you can do it. Okay, okay. So that is the whole purpose of using your Zapier, right? So basically when it comes to Zapier, suppose like whether you are a business owner and a freelancer, or maybe just someone who loves to tidy your inbox, like, right? So that is something which you can definitely use, right? Zapier is something which you can use, no matter who you are. You're a business owner, you're a developer, you are a normal person, right? If you want to clean up your Gmails, if you want to reduce your workloads, right, you can definitely go with Zapier, right? And from automating your social media post, right, to updating your task list, right, the possibilities are very vast. Your imagination still is not convinced. So let us now explore it, right? So if you think that, okay, I'm not yet convinced with like whatever I'm speaking, so yes, we are going to deeply dig into like what exactly a Zapier is in like few upcoming videos, right? So yeah, let's let's first understand the UI interface of this Zapier. Okay, so this is the home page. This is how your home page looks like. And if you want to say something, so you can say that when I add a reaction to a Slack message, create a card in Trello, right? So you can simply do this. Or maybe what I can do, when I get a email, I want a, I'm not sure whether I can combine it on WhatsApp or not. I want a WhatsApp message, right? Maybe I'm not sure whether I can do this, but let's try. Okay. So I'll simply write it over here, write something over here, and let's do it. Let's try to do it. We are just using the magic AI to create your Zap. This is on the way. Oh yeah, it's done. Okay. Okay. Receive a email notification on WhatsApp. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Yes, let's try it. Definitely, I'm going to try it. Email by Zapier. Okay. And so, do I need to do something over here? Yeah, it's email, right? And new inbound email. Okay. Continue. That is fine. Continue. What is this? Email address. So I need to write my email address. Maybe Sharma. Okay. So SHARMA. Perfect. Enter valid value. It's a valid value, man. Come on. What happened? SHARMARISHABH. Yeah, it's my email, so I need to configure my email only. Okay, no worries. Let's do one thing. Let's try to read it, right? So that is the interface which Zapier always provides you. That if you don't understand anything, you just have to hover and click on it, and you'll come to know that okay, customize the private email address associated with your mailbox. Be sure to use lowercase and add a number only, okay, and just forward emails to the address to Zap. Want to receive your own personal email address? Try Mailgim or IMAP or okay. Okay, let's not try this. Let's try to do something like this. Okay, I'll simply write this. Okay, Sharma Rishabh 32700. Okay, so this is my email. I'll just copy it. I'll just copy it, and yes, it is copied. Okay, and test trigger. Let us trigger a test. Okay, so what? Create a new inbound email in your account and test it again. Okay, I'll do that as well, right? So but what wait a minute, I'll just create an account over here as well. So let us first configure WhatsApp and then we will do it. Okay, so OTP code is being sent. Just a second. All right, so yeah, as you can see that I have connected my WhatsApp number with this Zapier, and let's continue. Okay, so yeah, template what I need, maybe new message, new lead. Okay, so maybe a new lead. Okay, so email, phone number. Okay, add name. Name would be maybe test one. The email should be okay, but let me do it something like this so that you guys can see. Okay, yeah. So phone number, I'm not sure. Phone number is required. Okay. Lead source. I'm not sure what is this link. What link? Uh, okay, let me put a link of YouTube then. Okay, so let me put a link of YouTube. I'll simply copy this link and we will paste this link over here. Now what is left? Okay, add. Okay, I need to add it from here. Let's see. Complete this step. Yeah, what is the problem over here? Create a new inbound email in your account and test again. Okay, so I need to, okay. So first of all, I need to create an inbound account. But yes, more or less, we will do this creating inbound email and all. So we will do this later on, right? But more or less, I told you, right? It's that simple. So whenever you get an email in your mobile, right, you will get a WhatsApp notification. That is right. That is it. It's that simple, right? Okay, so okay, yeah, so I guess yeah, okay, so that was one of the um, okay, so that was a way to get your zaps and get your work done. So basically this is how you can just simply create your what automated zaps, and you can create your automated work done, right? So if you want to create a chatbot, if you want to add an interface, table, canvas, like what not, right? What not. You can do all these things, okay? You can do all these things, okay? So yeah, I guess that's it for this video, and in the upcoming videos we will see that how we can generate our own zaps and how we can get our work done. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and we'll meet you again in the other video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.